The duck is back. I'm just going to start up old Betsy here and give her a warm up. A lot of you seemed to enjoy the last time I started her up, so I'm going to start her up, and I've just realised, oh no, they are there. Yeah, the old car blocking the road slows them down, doesn't it? I'm just letting you all know I'm not an Aussie, I just worked in Aussie. See if old Betsy's gonna fire anyway. Oh, damn it. Sorry, I forgot what we were doing. What we were doing is, so I'd done the video a couple of videos back, and I was talking about moving, where is it? Moving the sensor in here, nock sensor, and that's moving it from this. It was on the front here. And the truth is, for years it had always been a bit of a pig to start, and I've moved it, and I went for that run. Oh, and I put that skull on here too, and he's on a lean, right? He's on a lean because he's going so fast, hey. Right, let's chuck you back up in there. See if old Betsy will start. Hope it's not going to be another one of those cry things where I'm crying. Probably going to get a head chop. I think you'll sooner see the bite than me, won't you? Right. It's the radar. idling any less than 1,000, because then if it's too slow, they start doing this to the big ends and that stuffs the motor. Might sound cool, but it might cost you your motor. And you won't get your standard Harley revving like that.